Hello everyone, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Healing Moments. And today we are in a beautiful park in Washington State. As I stand beneath this amazing tree, I'm thinking maybe, is this a Douglas fir? Okay, Douglas fir. And this park is filled with the love of Gaia. So much oxygen here. And my guides brought me into this specific location for a healing moment today, not just because of the trees and the trees' vibration for you, but actually because of the sound of the children playing. There's a lake right next to this, and the kids are over there frolicking in the water, and they talk about playfulness, bringing a youthfulness back into your spirit today. So I'm going to open up this space and start channeling this healing energy. So wherever you might be, maybe take a moment and close your eyes. Connecting not only to my voice, but again, the distant sounds. And the acceptance of bringing youthfulness and playfulness back within your space today. Breathing it in and breathing it through. What is it that you could do today? What choice could you make today that would bring the youthfulness and the playness back into your moments, back into your now, that will then resonate back into the inner being of your heart center, helping to expand you into something greater, a higher vibration. Into a space of letting go and just enjoying the moment that you're in. Breathing in and breathing through. You'll know it when you feel it. Maybe you'll know it when you see it. You'll definitely know when you experience it. So enjoy breathing in and breathing through. Thank you for taking this moment with me and with Mother Earth, with playfulness. Right here, right now. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.